Let's have a look at the graphic features of the tool. Accessing the Graphic tab, we see that we have a field for the address of a photo on the internet. Let's continue with our Wikipedia example. We choose this photo, copy its address, and paste it in the field. Accessing the map and clicking on the marker, I see the photo appear. It can be enlarged or reduced by the visitor. There's another graphic feature. We can show a rating or score for the spot, which will appear on top of the marker. To show that I like New York, I choose this one. And it appears in the map. This feature has many purposes. You can use it to rate places like restaurants, museums, landscapes, or to show the products available at that spot, etc. The next graphic feature is a colored circle, which in this case we call a radius. It highlights the territory around a spot using miles as the measure of the radius. I fill in 10 miles, go to the map, and zoom out to see the disk appear. We have two other attributes related to the radius: color and transparency. For example, let's change the color from the default green to yellow and reduce the opacity to 0.2. Transparency allows more visual clarity when there are many disk overlaps. Let's see our yellow circle with low transparency. Now that we have created a spot with all its attributes, let's create another one. For example, name of the spot, Paris. Country, France. City, Paris. When we go to the map, we see that we have a new spot and that the map has centered itself. The zoom level has been calculated to show the two spots. There's a warning because Paris has no type defined. We update that. You can choose from the list or fill it manually. And here is the result. Let's take a look at some of the features. We enlarge the radius for New York and add one for Paris. You can see the light yellow disk for New York and the darker green disk for Paris. Here we can see three buttons. One to hide and show labels, one for scores, and one for the areas. These can be useful if there is a large density of spots to give more clarity on the map. When you roll the cursor over the marker, the graphics for label, score, and area appear. It's a 3D map, meaning that you can use the perspective mode like in Google Earth. The next video is about saving the map and embedding it in your website.